Thank you. I am in shock, but I just am so proud to represent Forest Lake, and teaching students how to read is what I love to do. So I get to do it every day with lots of different students, but I'm our reading interventionist here, and I think the biggest blessing of this position is having the opportunity to be a voice for some students who may not always have a voice, and to believe in the students that might not believe in themselves. So I'm just honored, and teaching and learning is what I love to do. So thank you so much. I just really appreciate it. And also, just want to say thank you to my school and my fellow teachers who we're a team. It's a team effort. Thank you to Mr. Jackson just for believing in me, and anytime I'm coming with a new idea or something else we need to try, it's always a yes. So I wouldn't be able to succeed without the team and the support that I have. So thank you so much.